Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's session. Today's session we are going to learn about subtraction of decimals. Children, last class what we learned? Yes, sir, we learned about addition of decimals. As I said there, addition is possible only for like terms. I mean, those decimals first we have to convert it to like decimals. Then we can apply the operation addition. And same thing we are going to implement even subtraction of decimals also. See better here we have some rules to apply the subtraction of decimals. Let's see about it once. For subtraction of decimals you can follow these rules. Change the given decimals into like decimals. Whatever the decimals they gave, first we have to convert them to like decimals. If they are already like decimals, we will follow second step. If they are unlike decimals, we have to convert into like decimals. Sir, what is like and unlike decimals? Let me take one example right here. 2.54 comma 3.62. Decimal number after decimal point we have 2 digits, so it has 2 decimal places. Let me repeat once. In this 2.4 after the decimal point we have 2 digits. Number of digits after decimal point are called decimal places. This decimal number has 2 decimal places. Decimal point after we have 2 digits. So even for second decimal also have 2 decimal places. Decimal places nothing but number of digits after decimal point. Both are containing 2 decimal places. So both are called like decimals. Like decimals are nothing but 2 or more than 2 decimals are said to be like decimals. They must have same decimal places. Same number of decimal places. Here number of decimal places 2. Number of decimal places 2. So both are called like decimals. One more example I take here. 2.54 comma 3.629. Point after 2 digits. I mean it has 2 decimal places. Point after 3 digits. It has 3 decimal places. Now both the decimals not have same number of decimal places. 2 number of decimal places. 3 number of decimal places. So both are called unlike decimals. So if they are unlike decimals, we need to convert into like decimals. Then only we can apply the operation subtraction. Sir, how can I convert this both unlike decimals into like decimals? 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places. Just you can take the maximum number of decimal places. Sir, here I can see more number of decimal places, which is 3. So remaining also you make it 3 decimal places. It means now for this I want to make it 3 decimal places. Already we have 2 decimal places. To make it 3 decimal places, we need one more digit. That one more digit you can write here 0 by keeping 0. Decimal after if you keep zeros, there is no change. Now here you can see better point after 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. That is the way you can convert into like decimals. Write the numbers in columns. So that decimal point come in one column, 10th below we can write 10th, 100th below we can write 100th. That you can get clarity with help of example only. Yes. Now let's see some examples based on subtraction of decimals. Yes. Let me take here one example. Yes. Subtract 6.21 rupees. 6.21 rupees from 32.72 rupees. Yes, we need to subtract. Subtract the first decimal from where beta? From second decimal. From the second decimal, we need to subtract the first decimal. You can see solution beta. From this 32.72. Yes. First we will see question beta. 6.21, 32.72. Point after 2 digits. I mean it has 2 decimal places. Point after 2 digits, 2 decimal places. Sir, both are having same number of decimal places. So both are called like decimals. Both are called like decimals. Now, once if they are like decimals, then we can continue the subtraction. From second decimal, 32.72. From second decimal, we need to subtract this first decimal. How better? First point below you can write the point. 10th below we can write 10th place. hundredth below hundredth place, ones place below ones place, tens below tens, like that you can write better. See in second decimal point after having tenth place to write this two below the tenth place. Next hundredth place one below the hundredth place, point before ones place 6. Sir, hundredth place no digit, so don't write. This both what we need to do better, subtract. Now apply the operation subtraction. Hope it is clear. Don't get confusion. First we can write this one. They say clearly better. From this decimal number, from 32.7 to subtract this decimal. See better here, 2 minus 1, 7 minus 2. Point below right exactly point better. 2 minus 6 not possible. We can borrow from 3. It becomes 12. Here 2 left better. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 2 left. The result is 26.51. Like that, you can subtract. You can see one more example by here. Yes, 52.34 minus 37.9 you can take 37.9. So this both we need to subtract. Before going to subtract, first we need to check both are like decimals or not. If they are like decimals, continue subtraction. If they are unlike decimals, we need to convert into like decimals. You can see better here, point after two decimal places, point after one decimal place, not have same number of decimal places. Both are called unlike decimals. Now these two unlike decimals we need to convert into like decimals. See better here solution, 52.34 two decimal places, 37.9 one decimal place. Here we have two decimal places, maximum two decimal places. So here also make it two decimal places. To make it two decimal places, already we have one decimal place. You take one more zero. Now I can see there two decimal places. Now we can subtract better. 52.34 from this. Subtract. Point below you can write the point better. Point after 10th place 9, 100th place 0. Point before 1st place 7, 10th place 3. You can do subtraction better. 4 minus 0 4. 3 minus 9. You take borrow from here. Here 1 left. 13 minus 9 how much? 4. 1 minus 7 not possible. Borrow from here 11. Here 4 left. 11 minus 7 4 better. 4 minus 3 1. Like that you can separate. Your units are rupees. Even in the result also you can write the units better rupees. Hope it is clear. What we are doing better? First we are checking both the decimals are like decimals or not. If they are like decimals, we can subtract. Like in case if they are unlike decimals, we'll convert them to like decimals first, then we'll subtract. And when subtracting, point below we can write the point like all of this. 10th place below 10th place, 100th place below 100th place. See, don't write like this. Here we have 9 0. See, some of the students will write like this here. Between 3 4 they will write 9. Meaning this 9 comes under 10th place below na, 100th place below na, even they don't have typing. So because of that, please write 10th place below exactly 10th place, 100th place below write exactly 100th place digit, so that it will be easy by solving. Yes, children, you can see one application on subtraction better. Here they gave one word problem based on the subtraction. You can see here, Raju bought a book for 35.65 rupees. The cost price of book is equal to how much? 35.65 rupees. And he gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Actually, the book cost is 35.65 rupees only, but he gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper, so that he gets some amount back. The reason 50 rupees is more than 35, right? So how much amount he did get back from the shopkeeper, they are asking to find. So this is also like one of the application data based on the subtraction. So first we write here what is the given information. Children, in question they gave the cost price of book. Yes, Raju bought a book for 35.65 rupees. At what amount he purchased the book? It is called cost price. What do we call it? Cost price. Yes, cost price of book means the amount, at what amount he purchased the book, it is called cost price, and which is rupees 35.65. And next, the amount he gave to shopkeeper, he gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper. Yes. And also he gave amount. Yes, children, he gave amount he gave to shopkeeper. Yes, amount he gave to shopkeeper is equal. How much amount he gave to the shopkeeper? Sir, he gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper. With the help of this, he asked you to find how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper. Yes. Now we need to find amount he get back from shopkeeper. Amount we get back from shopkeeper. Yes. The amount which is going to get from shopkeeper is, how can I find better? Sir, he gave actually 50 rupees. No, sir. From 50 rupees, you subtract this 35 rupees. Yes. What shopkeeper will do better? Sir, from that 50 rupees, he will take this 35.65 rupees and remaining balance he will give to Raju. Now, to get the result, we need to subtract these two. And also, just know, as we learned the condition that subtraction is possible only for like decimals. To apply the subtraction or addition, first we need to convert both the decimals into like decimals. Here you can see better point after two decimal places. I mean point after two digits. So it has two decimal places. Here there is no decimal point. So we'll take a point and we'll make it two decimal places. To make it two decimal places, we need to write two digits by giving zeros. Now two decimal places, two decimal places. Now we can apply the operation subtraction method. See 50.00, point below exact write the point, and point after 10th place below write the 10th place digit, 100th below write the 100th place digit, and point before 1st place 5 and 10th place 3. These two we need to subtract. 0 minus 5, no, we'll borrow from here 10. Here 4 left, again borrow here 10. Here 9 left, borrow from here 10, here 9 left better. 10 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 3 we can write. And point below exact write the point. 9 minus 5 which gives 4, 4 minus 3, 1, yes. Now how much amount is going to get back? Sir is going to get back 14.35 rupees. 14.35 rupees he will get from shopkeeper. Sorry. Children will see 7th bit now. Here they give an application beta based on subtraction. It is Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. It means the total weight of the vegetables is 10 kg. Out of the 10 kg, 3 kg 500 grams are onions and 2 kg 75 grams are tomatoes and rest is potatoes. What is the weight of potatoes they are asking? So how can I do this? Sir, total weight is 10 kg. Out of 10 kg, this is the weight of onions and this is the weight of tomatoes. Sir, first we need to find the total weight of onions and tomatoes. Suppose here 3 kg something, 2 kg something, 7, 3 plus 2, 5 kg. We'll get 5 kg something. So after getting sum of these two, total weight of onions plus tomatoes will give us like 7 kg, 5 kg something. So that total weight of those two, we need to subtract from the total weight 10 kg. So that the rest over part will get the weight of potatoes. That is the concept here. Now see but here solution how I am going to write. First we write the given data. Sir, given total weight of the vegetables. Total weight only. Total weight of vegetables. Sir, total weight of vegetables is equal to how much? 10 kg. And also we gave weight of onions is equal to how much? Sir, it is 3 kg 500 grams. And next he gave weight of tomatoes. Weight of tomatoes is equal to how much beta? Sir, it is 2 kg 75 grams. So total weight is 10 kg. potatoes. So how can we find the remaining weight? Sir, first we need to find the total weight of these two. Total weight of those two. First we'll find it. Yes. Now total weight of, or you can write now weight of onions and tomatoes. Onions and tomatoes is equal to, onion weight is 3 kg 500 grams plus, and tomatoes weight is 2 kg 75 grams. First we have to find what is the weight of these two. Then this we can subtract from total weight 10 kg. Then rest our weight is will become the weight of potatoes. Now find the addition of these two. First of all we have here different units. Convert into same units better. This both will convert into kg. 3 kg as it is, and this we can write plus 500 grams. How can I convert into kg better? 500 grams means what? 500 by 1000 kg. 500 by 1000 kg. Yes, last class we learned 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. If I want to know kg in terms of grams, in terms of kg, we can write 1 kg. This into 1000 you can transpose better. 1 by 1000 is equal to 1. If there is no coefficient, we write 1. So 1 gram is 1 by 1000 kg. 2 grams like 2 by 1000. 500 grams 500 by 1000. Next you can see but here kg as it is, and 75 grams 1 gram 1 by 1000 kg. 75 grams we can write 75 by 1000 kg. Sum of these two total we can. Now simplify better here. Yes, this we can write like 3 kg plus, convert into decimals my here. Yes, 500. Denominator we have 3 zeros, so 3 digit before you can make decimal point. If there is no another part, 0 kg plus 2 kg 75. Denominator we have 3 zeros, so make it 3 digit before decimal point. We have only 2 digits. You take one more 0. Now from the back onwards, 3 digit before you can keep a decimal point, and point before if there is no number part, 0. Now all this we need to do addition better. So for addition also even we need like decimals. Check whether all the decimals are like decimals or not. 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Both the decimals are having 3 decimal places. Now these two also we need to make 3 decimal places. So point after will take 3 zeros. Even here also better. Point after will take 3 zeros. Now all they are having same number of decimal places. We'll do addition here. See better 3.000, and next 0.500, and next we'll write here 2.000, and we'll write here 0.075. Here 5, 7, 5.3 plus 2 5. Yes, 5.575 kg. It is the weight of both onions and tomatoes. Then how can I find the rest better here? Yes, they said total 10 kg. Out of 10 kg, this is the weight of onions and tomatoes. Now rest is potatoes. So to know the rest weight, potatoes weight, I'm doing this better now. We need to find weight of potatoes. Yes, weight of potatoes is equal from 10 kg. Yes, from 10 kg we need to subtract, or you can write better from total weight. From total weight subtract what we can subtract? The weight of both onions and tomatoes. So what is the total weight beta? Total weight of the vegetables is 10 kg. Yes, from 10 kg subtract what is the weight of onions and tomatoes? Sir, it is 5.575 kg. You can subtract better here. 10 kg. Sorry, ignore it out this bracket here. Now this both I want to subtract. Minus 5.575 kg. So not only for addition, even for subtraction also we need like decimals. Here 3 decimal places, here no decimal point. Even here also if we take decimal point and make it 3 decimal places. Now this both we need to subtract. 10.00 minus decimal point below you can write decimal point better. 10th place below 10th place, 100th below 100, 1000th below 1000. Before this ones place you can write 5. There is no 100 place, don't write 5. Sorry, we need subtraction here. Borrow from here 10 left. Again here borrow here 9 left. Here 0. Again here borrow here 9 left. Again here borrow here 9 left. 10 minus 5 which gives 5 better. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 5 4. Decimal point. 9 minus 5 4. Yes. Now we can write 4.425. Yes. Is equal to 4.425 kg. What is this? Sir, it is the weight of potatoes. Yes. It is weight of potatoes. The weight of potatoes is equal to how much? 4.425 kg. Hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. Today's session we learned subtraction of decimals. So what are the key points, beta? Sir, when you are subtracting the decimals, first we have to check the given decimals are like decimals or not. If they are unlike decimals, we need to convert them to like decimals. So after getting the like decimals, you can write like this column wise beta. Point below you can write the point, 10th below 10th place, 100th below 100th place, ones below ones, tens below tens. Like that you can subtract. Hope this concept is clear to everyone. Based on this knowledge, you can complete the remaining problems from exercise 8.6. Thank you. We'll meet next class.